I would relate that as a two-year college, we have been visited by students from engineering departments from other colleges, four-year colleges, and they look through our program, and of course our program is majorly SACA certification based, and I watch their eyes, and they don't have access to what we have access to here in their programs, and they're just a little bit jealous, and that's okay. I like that. Our students are getting the very best that we can give them.
So at ATU Ozark, our mission of any of the programs that we put together is to make sure that we are identified by our employers of having exactly what it is that they need. So when industry says that we need this, whatever we put together is going to be in demand. That's going to take our students and lead them directly to employment. The SACA certifications that we have are not a standalone type product. They're embedded directly into the curriculum that we have. So when the students go through the SACA certifications, not only are they developing the skills, they're giving themselves something that's going to be technically valuable to put and add onto their resume for future employment.
Earning an industry SACA certification means that I'm considered more qualified for a job having my associate degree backed by a reputable company that provides good certifications. I plan on immediately entering the workforce after I graduate, and I believe SACA will help me during this transition by aiding my associate degree and will help me to perform and be confident in my job.
I started out with SACA during the pilot phase 2019, and as they add more credentials and see it grow throughout the U.S. And then I went to the gold training in Georgia, go to that, and then you get to see how it applies and how close to real life industry it is. All of our courses use at least one, if not multiple, SACA certifications as a final review to make sure that the students have the knowledge they need before they go out into industry.
These courses were designed specifically to meet the needs of our local industry based on feedback from them. And that would be what they see a need as their new hires, the skills that they don't see in the workforce, and the skills that they desperately need. The SACA certifications are valuable for our students because they give them a method to be able to show their prospective employers their progression in the trades and the skills that they've developed during that time utilizing a nationally normed certification program.
So SACA certifications are going to be valuable beyond high school because they're not only going to give those students the certifications added to their transcripts, but it's also going to help those students to be able to stand out from anybody else or anybody that's applying for the same position.